You want some soup, Sil? It's good, huh? Chicken noodle. Chicken noodle soup. Yum. Are you bouncing? Yum, yum.
Fascinated. Oh my.
I think somebody has a crush on you, Sil.
I think so.
I think somebody has a crush on you. I think you have a secret admirer.
Yes. Hi, Sil. Audrey wants to talk to you. Yeah.
Chicken noodle coming your way. Yum.
Yum, he says.
Yum, yum.
Audrey says yum.
Oop.
Oh, go ahead and eat it. It's okay.
Oop.
Yummy. Yeah, it's soup. Chicken noodle soup. Uh-huh. She said, hi, Audrey. Yeah.
You guys having a conversation? A little debate?
Here, Audrey.
Debate. Debate, yeah. Gonna have a little debate.
This is fun. This is fun. This is fun. Adria. Hi, Sylvia. We're having fun. So, your friend can't find a babysitter? Or?
Yeah, he can't think of it, but it turns out he's just gonna bring him. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Let's have him bring over here and have 3 babies.
Is he a single dad or what?
I guess so.